Hello, my friend and fellow trader. We are back again with our weekly Forex performance update, review update. And this video, I'm going to show you the trades we took this week, the results, and yeah, so we're going to get into the video now. So it was another quiet week in the markets. We had a few trades. We managed to bank around 150 pips with a nice 140 pip manual entry position on the Aussie USD. That was the entry I gave you last week on my YouTube channel. The last video I made was a nice setup I give you on the Aussie USD. Okay, it worked out as planned. It was a nice manual entry. And in this video, we're going to go over that actual trade for you. Okay, so let's look at the results first. Offer pending order trades, okay, which we did change the entry on Tuesday, and I'll show you why we did that in this video. Okay, one was the Aussie Kiwi, and the second was the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, I'm still personally in the Aussie Kiwi position. Okay, as you'll see in this video, as it's still around 10 pips in profit, I do expect it to spike up. The next trade is the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, it was a great position. Nice trade. We got around 80 pips on it. We had a few days on Tuesday and Wednesday. We had a couple of nice daily trades. I think we were both on the CAD yen. Okay, we managed to bank around 60 pips on it. So just between the daily and weekly services, we managed to bank around 150 pips. Okay, and with a lot of clients who took the manual entry on the Aussie USD, gained an extra 140 pips. Okay, so you can see our live account here over at MyFXBook. The link is below in the description of the video. Okay, it was another good week on the markets. Okay, popped up around 2%. Okay, which is good. And yeah, it's been another great month. Okay, these are the monthly analytics. Okay, this is my personal account. I do take a little bit more risk on this account. If you want to see a conservative growth, you can actually see the accounts down here. Okay, this is the Copier Pro demo, which has been going since we started the service. Okay, so it averages around 4 to 5% per month over the past 13 months. Okay, this was the first account we started at the start of the year. We changed brokers. You can track that. You can see the first 4 months of the year in that account, and then we moved over to this account. Okay, so all the data is there for you to track my live results. Okay, and what you can expect if you do join our copy service. Okay, so let's get into the actual trade setups. First one we're going to look at is the trade that I gave you last week, free on the Aussie USD. Okay, and you can actually watch that video by going to my channel, hitting the subscribe button, and just go to videos, and you'll see the last video was uploaded before this one. Okay, it was a great setup on the Aussie USD. So as expected, like I said last week on the video, we had dropped into this zone here. Okay, this is a weekly zone, weekly buy area. Okay, which was a weekly buy or a leg start that caused this move up here to create this high, these all-time highs here. Okay, in this, not all-time highs, but all-time highs in this leg up here. Okay, so let me see if I can get. Okay, delete all that. So just have a look at the weekly charts here. Okay, so this was the weekly area here. Okay, that was the leg start of this move up here. Okay, and to create the all-time highs in this whole leg up here. Okay, so this is an area of interest when price is coming back down into that. Okay, and like I said in the previous video, if you look at the drop into this area last week, okay, it was a pretty big drop. Okay, that is a telltale sign that we are going to get a strong reaction when the market comes down into this area. Okay, and that's exactly what happened this week. Okay, market dropped pretty heavily into the area. Okay, like I said, on Monday we were going to enter at 71,100 or in the first divergence signal. Okay, and the first divergence signal happened. Okay, this, if you can look at this here. Candle here. This is the actual opening of the market on Sunday evening or Monday morning, depending where you are in the world. See the market pop down, more or less down to our entry level, okay, 71,100, and then it took off, okay. But what it did do was create this divergence signal, okay, here, and that gives us the entry for a manual position, okay. And you can see ever since then, that move, okay, that divergence signal, the market rallied up nearly 140 pips to the high, okay. And I do expect this to continue, maybe up a little bit further, up towards the 74 area. We will see. Okay, so if you want to get an in-depth analysis of this position, go to the last video that I posted last week. Okay, it shows you exactly why I was looking to take this video today. It was just a brief reason why. Okay, next position is on the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, I was looking to enter this a little bit further down. Okay, we are at, the reason being, we are at this kind of area here in the charts. You can see I was looking to enter this at 103,800. If we just zoom out a bit in the weekly charts, okay, there's been a lot of reaction at that level before. But what happened on Tuesday? Okay, if we zoom into the 4-hour charts, what happened on Tuesday? I got double divergence signals here, and the market dropped down a bit. So I took the leap and entered this position manually on Monday. Okay, because what that price action is kind of telling me, the market is slowing down. It's moving sideways. It's getting very choppy. Usually when that happens at these kind of levels, we expect to get a huge move up to the upside. Okay, so I'm expecting some sort of candle like this to appear on this, and this to move up. So I'm going to stay in this position. You can enter that position manually if you want now, but as always, trade at your own risk. I'm just showing you exactly what I have done and what I am doing in the markets each week. Okay, so next position was probably the best trade of the week, which was on the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, reason was entering this as the prices came down into this area here. Okay, last week it just more or less touched it on the daily chart. It was expected to pop down to around 106,900, maybe pop down, create a new low this week. That didn't happen. What did happen on Tuesday was, again, on the 4-hour charts, we started getting we got a nice divergence signal here on Tuesday. Okay, you can see as the market came into that area, kind of hit a floor, it started moving sideways, and market popped down, and this was the trigger here that I posted in the Telegram group for us to change the entry to 107,100 and basically just enter the position, which I did, and you can see that position rallied up a little bit further than 80 pips. Okay, I do expect that to continue up higher. It was a great setup. We're at this weekly buy area. The market's popped down into it. Okay, change of structure here. Okay, a nice descent into the area. If we look at the 4-hour charts, market is moving sideways, accumulating. This is a period of accumulation after a drop in price at an area of buying interest. Okay, and this is the reason we get the divergence signal, and it's a nice, beautiful rally to the upside. Okay, that was the setup, and as you can see from the results, great week, another fantastic trading month, another fantastic profitable trading month. And yeah, so if you want to access the copy service, simply click the link below or get in contact with me, Will at the FXAUS.com. Any questions, let me know. And yeah, so I shall see you on the next video. Will over to FXAUS.com. Have a fantastic weekend.